Hello fans, welcome to Anything Blockchain. I'm here to welcome you all to 2024. It's disheartening that the first video for 2024 is a scam video to unveil the scam going on in Web3 job hunt. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like our video. I will be showing us the new method scammers, Web3 scammers are actually employing, especially in this 2024, to scam young developers. So if you're a young developer, you're an intermediate developer, I know those that are advanced are mostly busy and might not actually need some side gigs to survive, but some intermediate developers and young developers fall victim. So I'm going to tell us how you can stay safe, and one of their recent ways of scamming developers. Before I begin, I wish you all a happy new year and prosperous 2024. So like our YouTube, send it to your various platforms and channels and let them know that Anything Blockchain is here for anything Web3 blockchain development. All right, so it all started on 7th. I received a contact from my LinkedIn. A lady wrote me, and currently I can't seem to find her message. So she told me that there is a work that they are building the new Web3 company, a startup, so that they needed more hands, more developers, and they have gone through my portfolio and they found out that I have what it takes. So can I join them? I said not really immediately. He said, am I open to work with them? I said yes, if I had to know the nature of the work. So the lady then asked me, okay, send me your CV. So I attached my CV on LinkedIn. So I sent to them. So by 8, I received a mail. Let me open my mail and see that. Yeah. On 8, I received a mail from Dev Space Group. That is the name of the group, the guys that are actually scamming people. So I received a mail from them to come into their Slack channel. So you can see the mail they sent me. So welcome to your new workspace. So here are the details for your new Slack workspace, Dev Space Group. So I opened Dev Space Group, and immediately I was into the developers workspace. So, and someone chatted me up named David. You can see now they have actually deactivated my account. So I have tried as much as possible to log in, and it's not working out. So once I put my code, they will tell me that there is no account for this. So meaning they are organized. So I started chatting up with David, who posed as the HR, and who told me, okay, that I needed to be tested. So he told me that they have a particular MVP that they are actually working on, that they needed someone that can help and know my inputs, how I can actually add new vibes to the MVP. So I was excited actually. So before I know what is happening, a code was sent to me. So probably let me see if I can get the link of the yes, the name of the MVP is Quant Fund. So the Quant Fund code was sent to me. So and I was given this instruction here at README to run both the front end and the back end. But I observed something. The young man keep telling me, have you run the back end? Have you run the back end? Have you run the back end? I said, I just cloned the repo. So please mind the GitHub repo you are asked to clone, especially when they come with the fact that they have an MVP that they want you to check it out and know where you can improve on. So they want to expertise in improving the product. So it is a scam. So by the time I immediately cloned this repo, Quant Fund, that is the name of their product, as they claimed, Quant Fund. So I immediately saw the client side. So I installed the dependencies and installed also for the server. So when I ran the client, I saw the site was very in fact, I don't understand the look. So I wrote back on Slack that it's like this is not actually an MVP, that this is just a fresh work, something that needs more work to be done on. He said, no, have you run this backend? Have you run the backend? Run the backend. I said, no, but the backend is actually giving issues. So nothing came to me to actually examine the code I'm actually running. Because as 2024, everyone was actually looking up to see how you can get something to work on. So I didn't actually examine the code I was working. Please, if you are up to now watching this video, make sure you examine codes you are working. So unknowingly that the codes has some rootkit and malware, and that was exactly what happened. Immediately I just ran the backend. My system freezed. I have my system monitor. As you can see, I open my system monitor that actually shows me the graph of the resources that I'm using on my system. I found that my system monitor was all reading 100%. The CPU, the memory, everything. Wow, that was when I knew that something was amiss, and I immediately shut down my system. So when I shut down my system, I now restarted the system, and I did not run my VS Code anymore. I just went back to Slack. I told him my system freezed, that maybe I'll look into the code and know how to correct it. He said, but you ran it? I said, yes, I ran it, and my system just freezed, couldn't move. I had to press the power button and shut down and rebooted. Then he stopped talking to me. So I observed, are you still there? Are you still there? So what is the nature of the, explain to me. So what is the interview about? What am I to do? And all those things. He didn't talk again. So after I waited and waited and waited, it was night actually. I wrote to him, I have to go and sleep. In the morning, by the time I wake up, oh my, funds have been pulled out of my MetaMask, Solana wallet, and it was like, is this a dream? So please, I want to use this medium to let us know the latest Web3 job scam. So they will come to you as a, well, in fact, this indicates someone contacting you from LinkedIn, pushing you up to Telegram or Slack, where you have conversation, genuine conversation on Web3 job, placing you on interview, asking you to improve on their MVP. That is where the issue lies. Immediately you try to run that code on your own system, they hijack your system. They implant rootkits that forward information from you, from your system to them, and they use it, gain access to your recovery keys, especially when you have a file on your system that has those information. They send this to them, they use it to drain your account. So this is a warning to developers. This just happened on 7th, 8th, 9th, and the issue was that I only thought it was on MetaMask, but later on found that that of Phantom and other wallets too has been compromised. So please, I had to push it up here, and I'm going to do a video to tell us when you are scammed, what you have to do. But beware of Web3 job scam. They're everywhere on LinkedIn, contacting younger developers who are enthusiastic to actually land a gig or a job or something to be doing remotely. Please don't fall a victim. So this is the video we have for you. So unfortunate that the first video of the year is that of scam. So please be warned. Push this to other young developer platforms where we have young blockchain developers or Web3 developers, so that they will be aware not to fall victims of these syndicates. I will send the appropriate addresses to the appropriate quarters. That is the next video I'm going to do, how and what to do when you're already scammed. Thank you, and see you in the next video. But before you go, please like and subscribe, share this video. Thank you. A prosperous 2024.